What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how I create one of my favorite sort of mid bass lines. I really like this bass line due to the fact that it's got some nice warmth in the low mid and it can really fill out that area and give your track a lot of warmth. Really quite simple to make, so I'm going to quickly show you how I do this. But before we get into the video, if you'd like to hit that subscribe and notification bell to see other videos that I promote here on the YouTube channel, they come out every sort of week or so. And also, if you'd like to support the channel, you can do that by checking out some of the tutorials at alanmorrowstudios.com, where there's plenty of trance production courses, templates, sound banks, and everything like that to help you with your productions. So let's get into the video and start making this mid bass. So what I've got here is just Synth with the preset initiated. So you just got this play. I've just got a bass pattern from my MIDI pack on the website. If you are struggling for bass pattern inspiration, you can go check that out too. So initiated preset, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the saw wave. I'm going to turn the retrig off for now, and I'm going to come up with a couple of voices. Maybe let's try 3 or 4. 4 will do. Bring up the detune a little bit. And then I'm going to come down and I'm going to change the filter to a low pass. I'm also then just going to bring up the drive just a little bit here. Actually, it's high up, it's a bit too high up, so I'm going to bring it an octave down. So that nice sort of warmth richness to it. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to the cutoff A on the mod envelope, and I'm going to make it so it's nice and snappy like this. So I'm just going to bring the decay up a little bit, and I'm going to bring this up here a little bit as well. So that nice sort of pluckiness to it there. Bring this down a touch. And I'm also going to come over to the amp envelope here. I'm going to bring the decay up and bring the sustain down just to shorten those notes a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the filter over here and just bring this down a little bit. So you got that nice, rich, warm mid-bass sound. You can obviously adjust the cutoff to taste, how much you want, how much of the high end you want coming out. Obviously, always going to be dependent kind of on your track there and how much you want it cutting through in certain areas of your track and stuff like that, or how dark you want it. You know, you might want it entirely up to yourself there, but have it sort of around there. Maybe bring up this envelope just a little bit more. And I'm also going to bring up this release just a little tiny bit, just get rid of any sort of clicking. And that's how I make one of my most favorite sort of mid basses. It's a mid bass that I really do like, as I say, and it's really good for getting that sort of drive out of your track. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see as well how I kind of expand on this bass sometimes for a bit more movement, or, you know, getting a little bit more control over the high end and low mids and stuff like that, you can check out the Trance Bass sound design tutorial for Silent on the website. I'll leave a link in the description below. There's plenty of other basses made in that as well, like sub basses and gritty basses, and I think a side bass as well. So you can check that out in the link below. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and also just a quick reminder to hit that subscribe and notification bell. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.